Under the rules,
When you object,
there's an
Mr.
objection. The vote will proceed without any explanation.
Mr. President,
and after
under
that,
the
we will
rules-
allow the gentleman from Taguig to explain his vote.
Mr. President,
We call
Mr.
for a
President,
division
Mr.
of the
President.
House. So those who are
Mr. President, Mr. President, when you
Wait,
object, you're
those-
allowed to explain your
Senator-
objection and
the
state
Senator
your
Lacson
objection.
is recognized.
Thank you. Your Honors, pursuant to Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedures on Impeachment Trials, as amended, I move to elect Senator Judge Francis Joseph Guevara Escudero as the presiding officer of this impeachment court.
Objection, Mr. President, and may I allow to...
We proceed
Objection,
to...
Mr. President, I'm allowed to object and I'm allowed to
Yes,
explain
you're
my
allowed to
objection.
object. You are allowed to object, but we will proceed
No, Mr.
with
President.
the division
Mr.
of the
President,
House.
point of
So
order.
those who are,
Mr. Point of order,
those
Mr.
who
President.
are in favor of the
Mr.
motion
President,
of Senator
you're allowed to
Lacson,
explain para
please-
ma-convince mo nga
please
yung
raise
iba.
your hand. We will vote by raising of hands. So those who are in favor of the motion of Senator Lacson electing Senator Chis Escudero as the presiding officer, please raise your hand. The clerk of court is directed to count the votes.
No, in our rules sa parliamentary procedure.
How many? How many?
Explain my vote, Mr. President.
Hold on. Allow the chair to make a ruling. Those who are against to the motion of Senator Lacson electing Senator Chis Escudero as the presiding officer, please raise your hand. Ilan? The official count is 12 in favor, 8 against. The majority, those who are in favor, has it.
Mr. President,
The
may I
court
explain?
resolves to elect Senator Chis Escudero as presiding officer of the impeachment court. The duly elected presiding officer shall, under the same oath taken on May 18, 2026, immediately assume and exercise all powers, functions, duties, and prerogatives pertaining to or vested in a person presiding over the impeachment trial under the rules of procedure on impeachment trials, as amended, and shall give full effect to the powers inherent to the courts under Rule 135, Section 5 of the Rules of the Court.